Detach the pin retaining clip. Remove the anti-rattle spring and then pull out the retaining pin. Before you get going, make sure that you remove about 2/3 of the fluid from the master cylinder reservoir and discard it. As the piston is pushed in to make room for new pads, the fluid will be forced back into the reservoir. I also left the cap slightly open. Squeeze the pads towards the caliper frame to free up the pads and depress the pistons into the bores. Disc brake pads must be replaced on both wheels at the same time. Never place the pads on only one wheel. Also, brake system dust is hazardous to your health. Do not blow it out with compressed air and do not inhale it. Use approved filtering mask. Use brake system cleaner only. Loosen the caliper mounting bolt. Remove the bracket bolt that holds the brake line. Makes it easier to move the caliper around. I use wire hanger and as hook to hang the caliper. Spray with brake cleaner to remove harmful dust. Start pressing back the pistons with a couple C-clamps using the old brake pads as the backplates. Remove brake pads. Clean the caliper with wire brush and spray the area with brake cleaner. Inspect the piston caliper boots for sign of wear and tear. Set aside after cleaning. Proceed to remove the rotor brake. There's a couple ways to remove, but I'll use a dead blow hammer to remove the rotor instead. Spray rotor with brake cleaner to remove thin layer of grease. Apply anti-seize lubricant to the surface of the hub and the rotor. Install rotor and screw with a lug nut to prevent from falling off. Apply brake and caliper grease prior to installing back the caliper on the rotor. Install the caliper on the rotor and screw the caliper mounting bolt. Apply brake and caliper grease on the back of the brake pad, then carefully slide the pad into the caliper. Make sure you put the pad with a wear indicator on the inner side. Put the pin in and don't forget to attach the anti-rattle spring and the pin retaining clip. Tighten the caliper mounting bolt and torque to 73 foot-pounds. Screw the bolt back in the brake line mounting bolt and the ABS line back in. Install the tire. Torque to 97 foot-pounds. Front rotor installation complete. Check reservoir for proper level and make sure that the cap is on snugly. Thanks for watching.